Van County Laois agus County Leitrim ardú céim amach go Roinn trí ó Roinn Harbheith amíoch. Cucha churach críoch bócach le mí Márta agus Carn na Shelva Cup.
From your knee high, you dream about playing here. I'm excited about being here, the players are excited about being here, and I know the Leitrim boys will be as well.
For us to get up here and to play and to have a final here is just an amazing event. So today is the day, and we're going to give everything.
Dachs is doing like Kirkle. Get a back to Hogan, Damabala Shay, Earofton, Son, O'Riordan O'Rourke. Nish Marcin, Hosboston, so Kunta Alicia, Kalianashiad, Trust the Bielavoide, Ishtachsavoide.
There's big major turnovers in the first half through pure determination, pure effort from our lads, and that's what stuck by us throughout the whole match.
You rattled that crossbar in the first half, you'd have loved the goal, I'd say. I don't know how many times I've hit the crossbar here in Croke Park. It won't go into the back of the net, I don't know what's going on.
Well, Sinead Pointe, Disha, Vicky and such on Ona, Tachton Maidor and Chio Pointe, Omcron Onig Devin O'Donnell. Agus Archurim Nor Submission, so good, Dietaf saw a Vedain chair of Hasha to Canog, Agus Halbard, Facta, Ego in Lowry. Shin pass Clóta Fatherstach Kingston Neil Hishtach Spasa Kingston and Bodor Takamach Neil Chorda Hey. Well, Shin Hole at the Nish. A Buaicphointí Gavin O'Carroll, a Buaicphointí Kunta Alicia.
Leitrim, you have lit up the league this year with your outstanding performances and the colour you have brought to Park and Croke here tonight.
To win a trophy in Croke Park, we're thrilled for lads. So they've demonstrated their character, they stuck to the process, focused on performance, and we're thrilled for them.